How you doing there guys? Ben here, and you're watching a video by Urchin Greaser. Before I start the video, if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to press the subscribe button, and of course if you want to see notifications of my upcoming videos and stuff like that, just click on the bell and it's easy as that. I know you was expecting me like wearing the Urchin Greaser merch and whatnot. Unfortunately it's in the wash, so yeah, it is what it is. So, get into the video. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. I've been so busy and stuff like that, and I just didn't have like the time like getting up to date with my videos and stuff like that. So therefore I received a parcel from EMP, so therefore I'm going to take advantage to that and do like an unboxing like video. And it's kind of got a bit of like a relation like to rockabilly, but it's kind of got more like a rockabilly like vibe to it. So yeah, let's have a look then. I'm going to like cover that because I don't want to leak like the address and stuff like that, so I'm covering that. Okay, let's see how I can open this thing. Oh, here we go. I've basically ordered about 3 things, I think. Okay, so that's just like paperwork of what I've ordered and stuff like that, barcodes and what have you. It's pretty much got the same like thing like with Redbubble. It's got like a fancy like sticker. Yeah, I don't know why I've done that. And there's like a gift voucher as well. That's pretty neat. Yeah, I'll buy that. £5.55 for you, so basically it's a discount code and stuff like that if you want it like a wee bit cheaper. Yeah man, pretty good, isn't it? So yeah, that all comes from Germany like basically, hence the German there. So first of all, what I'm going to unbox is a sleeveless jacket. It's got some sort of like spanner with it. I don't know if I thought about like doing like car mechanics and stuff like that, but hey, so I do it. No, beg your pardon, it's jeans of Gas Monkey. It's kind of like similar to Levi's, but different brands and whatnot. It's actually got a bit of a shine to that. I'll look at that later. There you go, it's got the embroidery like how you see like with Levi's of Gas Monkey, and it's like button up as well. Oh, it's got the chain as well, like the wallet chain, like how all the greasers like have it. I've never done like button up jeans before, so yeah, wish me luck. But I have to like get used to the button ups if I want to perhaps like get like the 3-plywood jeans and whatnot. It is what it is. I'll try these on in a bit. I've got the Gas Monkey t-shirt. Which has got a bit of like a vintage like vibe to it, like sort of distress like picture and stuff. It's pretty neat, right? Ah, brilliant. It's got the magazine as well, so that's pretty sick. So that'll come in handy if I want to order like more things as well. Okay, now for the last one. It's some kind of like sleeveless like denim jacket. It's quite ideal like to pull off like the greaser style as well, now that we're getting around like the springtime. We've had some minor snow here in the UK. I know, it's a bit weird, but there you go. Oh, hello. Gas Monkey patch on the back. It's got like a hood with it. And apparently it's like a... Blimey, another bottle opener. Dude. That's crazy, man. It's got like some kind of, I don't think it will show properly, but it basically says Gas Monkey on there as well. Oh, that's a plus. It's basically like a detached like hood as well. So I'm not really much a fan on that hood, so therefore I'm gonna kind of like have it like de-hooded and stuff like that to pull off like the greaser style. Or to be in fact like the Neo like rockabilly style, like how you see with Brian Setzer from the Stray Cats. But obviously he didn't have like Gas Monkey like when it came to like the Stray Cats and whatnot. So yeah, I'm going to try them on and I'll be right back. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so here's the sleeveless denim jacket with Gas Monkey embroidered on there. And of course there are the Gas Monkey logo on there as well. And of course it came with this, a bottle opener. Beautiful, man, absolutely beautiful. And of course the t-shirt has got like distressed kind of like image there, like to put off like a vintage like kind of style, which is something I like as well. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. And the jeans, man, it worked like a boss. And have a look. The thing was kind of cool as well with these jeans, it was already like folded up already. So therefore when it comes to like washing it and what have you, I really got to like try train it like to look like that. And of course what's epic as well, that like the wallet chain came with it, like a traditional like rockabilly, neo rockabilly and whatnot is the way to pull it off. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this. Goes perfectly well with biker boots as well, or perhaps like Harley Davidsons as well. So yeah, all in all, I'm really impressed with this, man. I really got to try getting that with the button ups, because I'm only used to like zip ups on jeans and whatnot. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I can achieve it at some point. But yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm going to finish it from here, guys, and you all take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.